Hey guys, it's Diamond and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making a video exposing skinny people. I'm going to be exposing skinny secrets to teach you guys why you're fat and why other people are skinny. Okay, this is coming from someone that lost over 60 pounds. I'm going to give you a little background on me. I suffered from obesity pretty much my whole life. I was classified as obese by the age of 5 years old, and I recently lost over 60 pounds through the information that I teach on my TikTok. So go check out my TikTok. And I also have an ebook if you're interested. The link is in the description down below and also in my TikTok in my bio. But I'm going to be exposing skinny secrets to teach you guys a little bit about why, skinny people can eat comfortably and fat people can't seem to eat and not gain a million pounds. Okay, this was something that I was like so baffled by when I would get around, whenever I would be around skinny people. I would be like, how are they able to just eat comfortably and not have to worry about certain things? So let me get into it. One of the biggest things that skinny people do that fat people don't do is, number one, they know when to stop eating. Okay, skinny people don't experience fullness and then want to find a way to find more room in their belly to keep eating. I noticed that fat people, what they tend to do is, people that tend to be fat, they tend to be like, oh, I'm full. Let me try to make room in my stomach for more food, right? Meanwhile, a skinny person, a naturally skinny person is like, I'm full. Let me stop eating and save the food for later. So the biggest difference between skinny people and fat people is that skinny people know how to save food for later. Fat people don't tend to understand how to save food for later. They feel like they need to eat everything in front of them. They need to eat everything on their plate. They need to keep eating just for the pleasure of it, even though they're full. Okay, so that's one of the biggest things that fat people do that are keeping them fat. Secondly, skinny people don't feel like they have to eat everything in front of them. Kind of like point number one, like if someone offers a skinny person food and they're not hungry, they say no. A fat person tends to feel like, oh, I need to take all the food I can. I feel like it can come from a lack mindset. I definitely used to be like this too. If you grew up in poverty, you're more likely to be like, any food that you can get your hands on, you take it then and there. And then you kind of end up overeating and you end up fat. So skinny people tend to know that just because food is there doesn't mean they have to eat it. And fat people tend to not really have that correlation. They tend to feel like if there's food there, it must be eaten. I used to be like that so bad. Another thing is, I noticed that fat people and slimmer people tend to have completely different eating habits. If you look at what I eat in a day videos from people that are fit versus what I eat in a day from fat people, and this is the biggest one, okay? This is the biggest one. Fat people tend to eat a lot of colorless, beige colored food. If you understand what I mean, you understand what I mean. A lot of the time, fat people are eating beige food. They're eating colorless food. They're eating food like bread, right? How it has that tannish, colorless color to it. Bread, croissants, muffins, what else? Cookies. Like anything that has like a beige color, that has no color to it. Even if it has meat, like if it's like pigs in a blanket, but it's covered in the bread, right? They tend to eat a lot of beige colored foods that are terrible for you because they're high carb. And all high carb foods do is spike your insulin, spike your blood sugar, and make you more hungry. And so that's why they have so many cravings. That's why they have such an issue when it comes to eating, and they eat so frequently. They feel like they can't stop eating because of the kind of foods that fat people are eating. They tend to be eating the high carb foods that are literally spiking your insulin and making you more and more hungry. And they don't understand that, right? And that's not fair. But when you look at skinny people or fit people, they tend to be eating food that is more nutritionally dense. Fish, vegetables. They might have some carbs, maybe a potato or something like that, but they tend to eat higher fiber, higher protein, and fat people tend to be eating mostly carbs and colorless beige food that you shouldn't be eating. These foods are not real food, okay? These are processed foods. They tend to be eating processed foods They tend to be eating food that just has no nutritional value, and then it's just making them more and more hungry. And I literally made a TikTok video about this, how fat people, it's called This Is Why You're Fat. I made a video called This Is Why You're Fat on TikTok, and I was basically talking about how fat people, they are fat because even though they eat the most calories, right? Because they eat the most calories, yet they're the most hungry out of everyone. And it's kind of ironic because they tend to have the most cravings, they tend to be the most hungry, but they eat the most calories. It's because the calories that fat people choose to eat are nutritionally lacking. So fat people are nutritionally starving on the inside, but they're eating the most and they're having the most cravings, but it's because they're eating food that is not nutritionally dense. It has no nutritional value to it. It's high carb, it's high sugar, and all it's doing is making you more hungry, and it's not actually satisfying your body. And so now you're hungrier and hungrier, and you can't stop eating. And it's such a sad cycle, because I know a lot of fat people wish that they could get off the cycle. They just don't even know why their food choices are literally making them fat and keeping them fat. So that's one more thing. I can't remember what number I'm on. I think I'm on number 4. So number 4 reason why some people are fat and other people are skinny is fat people eat a lot of snacks. If you watch what I eat in a day as a fat person, I'm actually going to do a reaction video to what I eat in a day as a fat person, or maybe my 600-pound life. Just let me know what you prefer in the comments. But if you notice what fat people are eating, right? Not only are they eating colorless beige food that has no nutritional value, but they're eating a lot of snacks. They eat so many snacks. They eat so frequently throughout the day. They don't go very long throughout the day without eating. And no wonder why, because the food that they're eating, the types of foods that they're reaching for are making them more hungry, but they're having more and more snacks. And one thing about your insulin is that every single time you eat, even if it's something healthy, every single time you eat, you're spiking your insulin. So they're having consistent insulin spikes, and then the foods that they're choosing are high carb foods. So then they're having high insulin spikes over and over and over. They're choosing the potato chips. They're choosing the cookies. They're choosing the ice cream, and it's such high insulin spikes, and then it just keeps going and going and going. They can't stop eating. They eat too many snacks. Skinny people don't tend to eat that many meals a day. They don't eat 6 meals a day. Skinny people are not eating 7-8 meals a day with 3-4 snacks and 3 meals. That's ridiculous. It's way too much food. Fat people tend to eat way too frequently in the day. Another thing is skinny people are able to skip a meal. Fat people tend to think just because it's meal time and it's time to eat, they have to eat even if they're not hungry. That's another thing. Skinny people, if they're not hungry, they'll skip breakfast. If they're not hungry, they'll skip lunch. Fat people feel like just because it's meal time, they have to eat. And you don't always have to eat. You can skip a meal here and there and it's okay. Fasting is always good for you. So that's another issue or discrepancy between skinny people and fat people. Skinny people are able to skip a meal, no problem. Fat people tend to think because it's mealtime or because there's food there that they have to eat the food right then and there. And that's just not true. So that's it, guys. If you guys want some more tips, I am going to be coming out with more videos. But those are just a few reasons why you may be fat and why other people may be skinny. And that was just a short video just exposing some skinny people secrets and how you can kind of copy the things that they may be doing that may be keeping them fit and healthy. And, a few things that you might be doing wrong if you're fat and looking to lose weight. Definitely check out my TikTok account. I have a lot more content on there about weight loss, how to lose weight. Check out my ebook. It's going to be linked down below. It's also linked in my TikTok bio, so check it out. My ebook is going to give you 65 pages of thorough research that will teach you exactly how I was able to lose over 60 pounds and keep it off, and then help many other people do the same. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciated you being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.